What happens in executing or doing? Okay, just to give you an example, in software development phase wise delivery, you have these 4 phases: RDBT, requirement design, build and test. So RDBT, again going back, just look at this. In this is how it goes. What does this mean? Within whatever time frame you have chosen for execution, your value delivery must happen, RDBT. So now you see, now related. If you have to do this within your execution cycle, and which cycle is typically less than a month, do you need somebody who is an expert in R? BA, you know, expert in requirements, BA analysis. So you need to have somebody within the team. Do you need somebody who is good in designing? Architects or maybe senior programmers, senior technical, they have to be there. What about B? Programmers. Do you need them also? And T? Testers. So one of the first thing that you will have to do outside is cross functionality. Now call me after a week and after you have tried, was it easy or difficult? See, people, 5 programmers working together, and now 5 people, of which 2 are programmers, 1 is an architect, 1 is a tester and 1 is a BA. Is it same or different? What you know, you are just testing, just focus on your testing, let me do our job. Just because we are doing agile doesn't mean that we are separate. All these things come. When I say cross function, it's all the people's objective must be same. We say it cross functionality, but just reorganizing will not help bringing that culture. People knowing other skill within the team. So you joined the team as a batsman and then you started learning bowling. You were a great batsman. What will happen to you? Will you show? I just want to hear what could be the result. You might become an Irfan Pathan one day. You know what I mean? Not everybody can take it. So we have to be very careful in these aspects. Some people are okay with one skill. They are exceptionally good. If they want it, let it be. As a team, I must have all the skill. You got me? Anil Kumble, one of the worst fielders. Agree? We used to laugh at it. But in bowling, he used to take care of it. So if you have certain great skills and you have issues in learning other, it's fine. But as a team, we must have all the skills. So don't put Kumble in a place where fielding skills are tested. Put him in a place where we are okay. But then find somebody who is great in fielding who can do the job. But as a team, we must have bowler, batsmen, fielders, everything. So as a team, we must. So having said that, in today's world, the way the world is changing, we are moving away from I-shaped skills to T-shaped skills. Okay, so one is I-shaped. In fact, this is just like this I. And then one is T-shaped. What does this mean? I is you are just having the depth. One, I am great programmer, which is okay. But then now still be a great programmer, but maybe knowing business analysis and testing will help. Yeah. So see, player like Hardik Pandya can still end up playing all the matches in the series without really having a single match winning performance. He still went on playing all the matches. And our best bowler Bhuvaneshwar Kumar was dropped for a couple of matches. See the irony now? Great example. Will you agree? Yesterday also he won the man of the match, but he was dropped twice. Hardik Pandya was the only Indian player who played all the games of the South African tour. Why? Because he has T-shaped skills. He could justify his selection as a bowler, batsman, fielder, and we still hope one day he will come good. So that is, which is a fact. Same case was with Sir Ravindra Jadeja also. So I am giving these analogies because it really helps us understanding. Sometimes I used to feel other players are sitting, Rahane is sitting on the bench and Ravindra Jadeja playing for India. But then that is the reason, because one person brings in multiple skills, but that doesn't mean that I-shaped skills people will not last. But in this case you have to be really good, super good, like a Kohli. So that is the idea. But when you make a team, you just choose what skills you have. All-rounders will always help you become better. But all-rounders also need to be very, very good in at least one of the skills. So it's not mandatory that everyone should be an all-rounder in the team. Correct? But having out of 11 players, 2-3 all-rounders is a great asset. Similarly, in your team, if you are 7-8 members, 1 or 2 persons knowing programming, testing or business analysis will always be great. Or let's say even in programming, knowing Java and some other technology might help. In testing, manual testing and automation will help. In automation, maybe 2-3 different tools will help. That is the idea when you bringing the broader perspective.